can I try with you?
Yeah?
With you?
You wanna join us?
Yeah.
No, brother.
Why you laughing like?
No, man, I don't think it's safe.
Please.
Bro,
What?
use this tomorrow.
What's happening?
Bro.
Why
Try
the?
this, bro.
No, that's fine.
I stay ready for more. Go to the top,
Oh.
high level to score.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Seen some, but you never seen
This is the helicopter. By the way, is a bicep thing.
Yeah.
By the way, can I try with you one more set?
sure.
Yeah?
It's no. Keep it. It's your back.
Feels not easy.
Yeah.
Can I show you like another exercise?
Okay.
Much better for biceps thing. Helicopter. This is my favorite. I will put it back. Something wrong?
No.
Sometimes I doing this one with the map. Just try it like with the map. It's much easier. Oh. Wait.
That's heavy.
What's heavy?
What? That's heavy one. How are you using that?
Biceps thing first of all. Like this one. If you need like for biceps. If you need the map, I will be there with the map. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Sorry. Can I try as well, please? Helicopter squatting? Please. Do you know helicopter squatting?
What is that?
Like this. Helicopter, helicopter. Helicopter, helicopter. This is my favorite helicopter squatting. That's what I talking about, like. It's even lighter. It's even lighter than my map. Helicopter, helicopter. Helicopter. Stop like talking with me. Like I...
Come on.
Sorry.
Pick it up. Come on.
Yeah, sure, sorry guys.
Get off the floor,
Sorry.
get off the floor.
Mom, I will call you back. Like, what is
Up,
this?
let's go. Up.
It's much comfortable like it. Yeah. No. Sorry guys. Just like helicopter. It's just much comfortable because I need just clean here, like under the bar. I just clean under the bar because there was and I just spoke with my mom what